In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Miro board to a PDF effortlessly with this full 2025 guide. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or need to share your board with a wider audience, exporting your Miro board to a PDF can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a smooth experience. First, you'll want to head over to Miro.com. Open your preferred web browser and in the address bar type in the URL for Miro's website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to either sign in or create a new account if you haven't already done so. For our purposes, go ahead and sign in using your email address or your Google account. This flexibility makes it a breeze if you're using your Google ID and would like to skip inputting an email and password manually. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where your boards are listed. Look for the board that you want to export. Click on that board to open it. This will take you into the board's working area, filled with all your creative ideas and notes. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, you should see an option labelled Export this board. Click on it and a menu will appear providing different formats in which you can save your board. Our focus today is on creating a PDF, so select the option that says Save as PDF. This is a pivotal step because it converts your dynamic board into a static document that can be shared easily. Miro gives you a couple of options for the file's quality. You might see an option for small file size. If you're looking to quickly share the PDF online or via email and don't require high resolution, this is your go-to choice. It's convenient for team meetings or brainstorming sessions where sharing speed is crucial. Alternatively, if you wish the exported board to be in the highest detail, perhaps for printing or professional presentations, you should choose best quality. Keep in mind that this option might create a larger file size, which could take a longer time to download, but it will preserve the intricate details of your board. Once you've made your decision regarding the file size, the final step is to hit Export. The system will process your request, and depending on the size and complexity of your board, it might take a few seconds. You'll then be prompted to save the file to your desired location on your computer. And that's it, you've successfully exported your Miro board to a PDF. Now you can share your ideas, designs and projects as a convenient document. Thanks for joining me today and happy sharing.